Welcome back to CBS This Morning. Nursing home industry groups say they're alarmed by a recent coronavirus spike in their facilities. Federal data shows the number of cases surged in July after falling in June. That's a problem since more than 1/4 of all COVID-related deaths in the U.S. are linked to nursing homes. Our lead national correspondent, David Begnaud, is in Miami Beach. Good morning, David.
Good morning. You know, the state of Florida continues to lead in the wrong direction when it comes to the number of people dying from the coronavirus. Yesterday, Florida set another record for the number of deaths reported in a 24-hour period, 277. When you talk about nursing homes, it's as relevant in Florida as anywhere else. There are nearly 700 nursing homes in this state. But we want to begin this morning with a story out of Idaho, where a woman says her elderly mom was infected with coronavirus inside the nursing home, and she didn't find out until right before her mother died.
We don't know when my mom got sick. We don't know how long she was sick.
That is Caroline Fari. She says she had no idea her 90-year-old mother, Virginia Smith, was receiving end-of-life care until 2 days before she died at her Boise, Idaho nursing home.
One of her frontline care workers, an aide, had called me on my cell phone from her private cell phone, and she wanted me to be able to talk to my mom. And I didn't understand what that meant.
Fari says her mother had a high fever and had lost a tremendous amount of weight, but that the facility where she lived, Shaw Mountain of Cascadia, had not tested her for COVID-19.
Was she treated for coronavirus?
No.
Why not?
Good question.
When she was finally tested after the family insisted, the results were positive. Miss Smith died the next day. In July, cases and COVID-related deaths in nursing homes rose, along with cases nationally. The Trump administration has said protecting nursing homes is a priority. At this news conference last month, officials promised to provide tests and rapid testing instruments to the nation's more than 15,000 nursing homes. But Tuesday, the president delivered a much smaller number.
We have delivered over 1,800 rapid point-of-care testing devices to nursing homes.
We're now getting pretty close to the same numbers of new cases in nursing homes that we were experiencing at the highs in the spring.
That is Mark Parkinson, CEO of the American Healthcare Association. He says the wait times for tests at nursing homes can take as long as 6 days, making it harder to protect the most vulnerable, like Virginia Smith, whose daughter is heartbroken over how her mother spent her last days.
It's a callous disregard for my mother and for her right to have a peaceful death and a dignified death. She suffered.
Miss Virginia Smith had 12 grandkids, 10 great-grandkids. Her daughter said she was a devout Catholic who went to Mass nearly every day for 40 years. We reached out to the nursing home in Idaho to try and address some of the concerns that the family shared with us, but the nursing home has not responded to our calls. We did see that an attorney who represents the nursing home that owns the company gave a statement to an Idaho newspaper which covered this story, and I want to share with you that. That attorney said the company continues to follow all applicable guidance from federal and state health agencies and works to provide self-care and mitigate the damage from COVID-19.
David, thank you very much.